Difference between like and love with examples. The terms like and love are often used to express positive feelings, but they differ in intensity, depth, and context. Here's a breakdown of their differences with examples. 1. Intensity and depth, like a milder feeling of enjoyment, appreciation, or preference. It is often used for things or people you find pleasant but don't feel deeply attached to. Love, a stronger, deeper emotion that involves affection, attachment, and often a sense of commitment or care. Examples, like, I like this song, it's catchy. Love, I love this song. It reminds me of my childhood and makes me feel happy every time I hear it. 2. Scope of feelings, like, can be used for casual preferences, hobbies, or acquaintances. Love, typically reserved for people, things, or activities that hold significant meaning or importance. Examples, like, I like pizza, it's one of my favorite foods. Love, I love my family. They mean everything to me. 3. Emotional connection, like, does not necessarily involve a deep emotional bond. Love often involves a strong emotional connection, care, and vulnerability. Examples, like, I like my coworker, they're fun to talk to. Love, I love my best friend. They've been there for me through everything. 4. Commitment, like, does not imply commitment or long-term attachment. Love often implies a sense of loyalty, dedication, or long-term investment. Examples, like, I like going to the gym occasionally. Love, I love working out. It's a big part of my life, and I do it regularly. 5. Context of use, like, can be used in a wide range of contexts, from casual to formal. Love, often used in more personal or intimate contexts. Examples, like, I like the weather today. It's sunny and warm. Love, I love spending time with you. It makes me feel happy and complete. 6. Romantic versus non-romantic, like, can be used in both romantic and non-romantic contexts. Love often implies romantic feelings when used in the context of relationships, but it can also refer to non-romantic love, e.g., familial or platonic. Examples, like, I like hanging out with you. You're fun to be around. Love, I love you. You mean the world to me. Summary table. Aspect like love. Intensity mild, casual, strong, deep. Scope preferences, hobbies. Acquaintances, significant people, things, or activities. Connection, no, deep, emotional bond, strong. Emotional bond. Commitment, no, implied commitment implies loyalty or dedication. Context, casual or formal, personal or intimate. Romantic can be non-romantic, often romantic, but not always. In short, like, is a lighter, more casual feeling, while love is a deeper, more intense emotion that often involves care, attachment, and commitment.